Hello, I'm LaDonna, and I'm here to guide you through your Yoga Nidra journey. Take a moment to get on some cozy clothing and make a Yoga Nidra nest with lots of pillows and blankets in a quiet space where you will not be interrupted. Intentionally make your space especially soft and warm, and meet me back here when you are prepared. Now we are ready to settle in. Lie down and begin to burrow into your nest. Cover yourself with a blanket if you desire. Placing pillows anywhere that support feels good to you. Make any final adjustments here to make yourself extra comfortable. Begin to find stillness as you gently close your eyes. Begin to move inward, bringing awareness to anything that arises here without judgment. Just notice. Follow your natural breath down into your body, noticing where your breath arrives. Begin to deepen your breath as you focus on your heart center, sending breath to this space. Allow a sense of love and peace to fill your being. And say to yourself, love lives within me. It is my true essence. Feel your body melt into the surface beneath you as you breathe into your heart space. Feel sensation as a tingling warmth touch your toes. Moving up to the soles of your feet. The top of both feet together. Feel this tingling warmth move into your lower legs. Your knees, spreading to your upper legs. Your pelvic floor. up into your hips. Allow this tingling warmth to rise to your lower abdomen. Spreading around to your lower back. Middle back. The space behind your belly button. Up to your upper abdomen. Allow it to arrive at your heart center. As you pause here, sending your breath to your heart center, envision a green light glowing here. Say in your mind, love is flowing toward me. Love is flowing through me. I radiate love. Love is flowing toward me. Love is flowing through me. I radiate love. Feel this loving energy as warmth, allowing it to spread into your upper back, your shoulders, up into the back of your neck, your throat, feel this tingling warmth move into the back of your head, up into the crown of your head, your forehead, resting at your third eye. Take a deep breath through your heart center as you envision a green light glowing brighter, sending this energy back up to your third eye with each breath. Say in your mind, I see and experience love all around me. I know love is my true essence. I see and experience love all around me. I know love is my true essence. Rest here in this awareness until you hear my voice again, listening for any messages that may arise. begin to deepen your breath. Inhaling to a count of 5 and exhaling to a count of 5. Allow a sense of love, peace, and joy to flood into your heart center. Allow it to spread into your entire body as you begin to bring gentle movements into your fingers and toes. Circle your wrists and ankles. Make any other movements that feel natural to you. Roll to your side in a fetal position, taking a moment to send gratitude for your practice today. This is the position of rebirth. Leave what you no longer need here. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly rise to a seated position. Slowly open your eyes and take in your surroundings. Inhale, raise your arms high, palms touching. Exhale, bring them to your third eye center, inviting in wisdom and light. Inhale deeply and exhale your palms to your heart center. Invite in love and light. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. I recommend jotting down any messages or images that arose during your practice today. Revisit it every time you practice to begin to notice any reoccurring messages that may arise. Sending you love and light. Namaste. Hi, this is LaDonna, and thank you for watching this video. My hope is that this Yoga Nidra served to help you find balance and inspiration, and brought more yoga into your life. I invite you to now subscribe and like this video to show support for our Lunabird community and content. Click the notification bell to receive alerts on all new yoga content. Thanks for your support. Love and light sent your way.